Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Shib update, and the puppy is ready to actually dance. I do believe that it has bottomed out, in my opinion. And very quickly, before I talk about today's update, I want you to join the Discord for the signals as well. It's free for December, so you guys can actually enjoy the signals, which is we actually bought BTT BitTorrent yesterday at 35, cashed out at 0.39. There are some pending signals that got really disturbed because of the Bitcoin downfall there. Now I turned on the Gaussian channel right now, and the Gaussian channel tells me that it has found support on a very important critical level right here. So if I zoom in right there, you can already see that this one came to the bottom of the Gaussian channel, and it finds support and bounced off the Gaussian channel, and that's actually a very positive thing to talk about. And it seems like if I actually turn off this thing, we have a tri-star, and this one are bullish, to be honest with you. So I'm actually going to show you the tri-star. Let's go to Google right now really quickly, and I'm going to say bullish tri-star, just like that pattern. Now let's go to the images as well, and let's look at the bullish tri-star. So here we are, and you can see that whenever you're in a downtrend like this, you start to make those three stars like that, and then you continue towards the upside. So it seems like it is making those three stars, isn't it? Just something like that. And if I zoom out, there's one more thing that I also want to talk about and show you. So let's zoom out of this one, and it's like we find support right over there. Do you see that? Find a big level of support right here, and it seems to me that that has been the bottom, and I can extend this one like that. So it is an area of influence right here. So you can see one touch there, another touch here, and then another touch right there. So Shib, to me guys, amazing, fantastic entry opportunity. And from here to here, it dropped 66%. Give me anything that drops 66%, I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna get my cash out and I'm gonna buy it. Okay, I don't care people who are fearful. This is when we buy, and this is where the newbies and the people panic sell, right? I do believe if you can hold for 2-3 months, guys, I do have a price target of 13,000. I'm just gonna bring that horizontal line right there. Now let's say considering the fact that this could be your top right there, and by the end of the bull market you could even have that 17,000, nearly the 17,000 ranges. And if you're buying now, just even if you go to 13,000, that's 268%, and 400 by the end of the bull market, maybe a 4x potential right there for Shib, guys. But it's gonna take time, guys. I don't know why people do not give time to these coins. They expect it to go in one day. In here, I've been saying for the past 1 month, it was in an accumulation, and look what happened in 1 week, 10 days, 20 days. It went a whooping 1000%, and this is where we bought at the 600. Yeah, we bought down here, and we actually cashed out at the 8500 as well, and that's 165% so yeah, like 16x from that place that we entered. And I've been telling people for the past months that, guys, sell it here, it's gonna come to the 3500. No one needs to listen, and now I'm telling you to buy right here. People are panicking because it goes by minus 5%. This is not how you trade, guys. If you buy something, you sit down. One of the biggest secrets of trading is you buy and then you sit. Okay, there's nothing else. There's no way you're gonna lose if you just sit down and don't do anything. That's the other name for sitting down is called patience. So you must have a patience, and you must have to control your fear as well when you're investing in cryptocurrencies. Otherwise, you're gonna lose, guys. You're gonna lose the trades. Now that you've bought it, live it, man. Just live it. When it pumps, get out your profits. Okay, now we do have a level of resistance right there, though. I'm gonna show you this. Oh, we're making a huge descending triangle. No, I don't really think so. This is supposedly not a big descending triangle. I do think the bottom is in, nothing to worry about. So right now that was like a channel, and I'm trying to look this channel to be broken. Okay, I'm looking for it. If it breaks, that would be very nice, and then come here and then retest and then continue. So I don't think December will be that much progressive for Shib as well, but it's going to be actually quite good in January or February probably. So do expect until February we could have some nice good improvement in Shib as well. I want to talk about the short term, time candles as patterns as well. Now yesterday I did talk about, or maybe 2 days, I talked about this falling wedge, and our targets were met. Okay, the targets did get met when I talked about this. But there's one more thing. It's potentially forming an inverse head and shoulders. Just gonna show you this one. This could be your left shoulder right there. This is your head. This is your right shoulder, just like that. And then you have some level of the neckline right here. A lot of projects now, even including Link, probably a lot of these projects are making inverse head and shoulders. So wherever you pop out here, guys, we're looking for to go to the 4300 level. This on the short term is a trade that you can expect in the next coming 7 days or 10 days probably. So hold your nerves, and that's a nice lovely price increase if you enter right now, a 14% trade right there. So, and I'm going to confirm on the fibs as well. So considering that this was your corrective wave from there to there, you can see that it already takes you to the 0.5, nearly the 0.5 right there, and then hit your head and maybe consolidate here until you don't go break out here, continue, and then you continue towards the upside. So yeah, that's it, a small quick short update for SHIB, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.